guys, I'm here again with a Stitch Fix unboxing. I think it's been about 3 weeks since my last one, but I only kept 2 items from that box, so let's see if this one's better. Do you see jewelry? So we'll save that for last. Oliver's here with me. Here's your toy. Okay, let's look at the bundle first. No. Okay, that floral looks pretty. I love florals. Oh, I see a lot of florals. Okay. Jeans first. Okay. Oh, distressed. Pistola. In a size 28, it says the Tory distressed ankle zip skinny jean. So they have a zipper at the ankle. And the problem with that is you can't roll them up if you need to with ankle booties, but we'll see how they fit. Being good, Oliver. Here you go. Okay, this must be a dress. It is by 41 Hawthorne. It is the Cristen shirt dress. Oh, I did pin this. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. I think I might have asked for this in my note too. I like it. Okay. This is navy. What is it? It's like a, oh, okay. It's like a really exaggerated dolman sleeve, I guess, is what it would be. I'll have to try that on to see. I don't know about that. So, okay. And this, it's kind of fall colors, and it is, it's cute. Little sleeveless top would be good under cardigans, and I love the floral pattern. Okay. Okay, the jewelry. Let's see. Okay, this is by Nakamol. I don't know how to say that, but looks like a long beaded necklace, so I'll try it on. I have the first 2 items on. It's the Pistola Tory Distressed Ankle Zip Skinny Jeans, size 6, $88. And the Alice Blue Lagos Keyhole back top in navy, size small, and it is $40. I do like the floral pattern. I love florals that, you know, big prints like this. And the colors are okay. I love the aqua. Navy's okay, the white. The rest I'm not sure about, but I did find, I have this cardigan that I got at Old Navy last year. I think it works. So that's a possibility. Now the jeans, they fit nicely. I don't mind the distressing. I just don't like the ankle zip at the bottom, but I did put them on with some ankle booties, and the length seems okay, but I would prefer that they just had a regular bottom, so, and they are $78, so I hate to spend that much on jeans that aren't exactly right. Okay, the next 2 items are the Nakamol Blythe Delicate Charm Necklace in gold and silver for $38. I don't know why he's crying. I really like the beading. I like how delicate it is, but I had to fidget with it a long time to get it like untangled, and I don't like the way the longest piece hangs in a V because of the little charm on it, and the other two are rounded. It just doesn't look right together to me, so I don't think I'll be keeping it. This is the Jolie Reid 3/4 sleeve knit top in blue for $38. It's not flattering, it's kind of just a little strange. I like the sleeve length, I like the color, it's soft, but I just don't like the fit, don't like the wings. Okay, last item is the 41 Hawthorne Cristen shirt dress in navy, size small. It's $78. It's a pretty dress. I like it. I like the floral print. I like the sleeve length. It's great for fall, even winter where I live. And I like the way the sleeves roll up. And I've got it in with I got these sandals last weekend. They're Tom's, the poppy style. I think I've seen people get them in either Trunk Club or Stitch Fix before, and they are very comfortable if you're looking for comfortable sandals. Okay, let's look at what the note says and who my stylist is. It says Kate. I think I had her on like my third fix, so maybe they're trying my stylist from the past, and I guess this is better than some that I've received. I'm still not excited about it. Like my first couple of fixes were just perfect. I loved every item. Nothing in this box really gets me excited, which makes me wonder if I should, keep anything. The dress is nice. That's definitely a possibility. The necklace, I'll have to think about it. What I am going to do is extend my checkout. Last time I kept everything for a week, and it really helps to kind of sit with it for that amount of time and think about, am I wanting to grab for the necklace to wear it or one of the tops, and it'll help me make a better decision because I don't want to keep something I'm not going to wear. This is a definite no, so it won't be a 5 for 5. And the jeans are a no because I don't like the zipper at the bottom, and I'm just not going to buy any more jeans that aren't exactly right. I have enough jeans that are okay. I want only perfect jeans from here on out. So that's a no. And this is a possibility. Tell me what y'all thought of this. I probably wouldn't wear this in the summer much because of the colors, but I could wear it with a cardigan. So that might work. Okay, and let's see how much the total is. $282 for everything. The buy all discount is $70.50. So the subtotal is $211.50 minus the styling fee is $191.50. Definitely don't want to pay for all of that, but with the discount being $70, no, that won't work because I definitely don't want the jeans, or that top is $38. So what I'm looking at is the dress for $78, the necklace probably not, but it's $38, and the floral top for $40. So if you enjoyed my video, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing what y'all think.